Okay, see if you can do this one. Express these two fractions as one fraction. Remember, we don't really care what's on the top. The important thing is to get the two denominators to be the same. So express these two fractions as one fraction. But just to spice up your life, I'm going to give you these. Let's say b to the squared here, and over here, let's say x to the power of 5, y to the power of 3, say. What's on the top? It doesn't really that much. It doesn't matter that much. Just concentrate on getting the two denominators to be the same. Okay. Well, anyway, do whatever you have to do. Press pause and have a go. So here, let's times top and bottom by this bubble over here. So it'd be 5x minus 2. Okay. So we are timesing it by this bubble here. So this will be 5x minus 2 as well. And on this side, we are going to times top and bottom by the other bubble, which is 3x minus 5. Okay. This one here, again, 3x minus 5. We don't care what's on the top. You can make it as complicated as you want. It doesn't really matter that much. Now, hang on. So really, in effect, we've got one fraction. Take away this fraction. Okay. So hang on. Let's do the bottom part first. So this 3x minus 5 times 5x minus 2, and then on the right hand side, well, we're going to switch. I'm going to put this one in front. So it's going to be 3x minus 5, and then 5x minus 2. Okay. Now it's just a matter of this bubble here multiplying it with this bubble here. Okay. So you will have this 2a to the power 3 b squared times. Remember, this exists in a bubble, and there's a minus in between. So we've got to put in brackets. So it will be like this. Okay, and another on this side, we've got this bubble here multiplying this bubble here. Okay, so it will be 3x to the power 5, y to the power 3, bracket, because remember there's a minus sign in between. So it will be 3x minus 5. Close it off. All right. Now the two denominators are the same. So let's merge them. Hang on. So it will be 3x minus 5 times 5x minus 2, and so remember this exists in a bubble here. Okay. And then this exists in a bubble here. So you could imagine it as like this. So you've got this bubble here, and then over here you've got this bubble here. So this times this, it would be, well, number times with number, it would be 10, and then a, well, you've got no a, well, it's going to be a to the power 3 b squared x. Okay, and then this times this will be minus 4a to the power 3 b to the power squared. Yeah, that's it. Okay, and then now this times this, 3 times 3 will be 9, and then you've got x to the power 5 here times x here, so that will be x to the power 6, and then y to the power of 3. Now this times this will be minus 15x to the power 5, y to the power 3. Okay. Now the hard part. Hang on. Let me take this down first. 5x minus 2. So this is really a positive bubble. So let's just take this down. So it will be 10a to the power 3 b squared x minus 4a to the power 3 b squared. Now you've got a minus, and this is in effect a positive here. But because it's a positive, we don't bother putting in there. So well, anyway, to remove the brackets here, this actually becomes minus 9x to the power 6, y to the power 3. And now you've got a negative and a negative here. So this will be plus 15x to the power 5, y to the power 3. And now have a quick glance to see if any of these entities are the same. No, they're different. X to the power 6, y to the power 3, no. Hang on, let's have a quick glance to see. Well, this is x to the power 6, this is x to the power 5. They're different, so you can't merge them. So they're all different. So this will be your final answer. Okay, this is one fraction. So you're done there. So here, have another go. This one here. So press pause and have a go. Okay, so let's times top and bottom here. Times top and bottom here by 4xy minus 3. Okay, so this 4xy minus 3, and then this here times top and bottom by 3x minus 2. Okay, 3x minus 2. So this will become, hang on, this fraction minus this fraction here. Let's do the bottom part first. 3x minus 2. This will be 4xy minus 3. On this side, 4x. Sorry, I'm going to switch these two around. I'm going to put this one in front. So it will be 3x minus 2, and then bracket 4x y minus 3. Okay, and at the top here, visualize as this: 5x to the power 5, y to the power 6, bracket 4xy minus 3. And then on this side it will be 7x squared y squared z to the power 3 times 3x minus 2. Okay, yeah. So now the two denominators are the same. So let's merge them. So this will be 3 this whatever 4xy minus 3. Okay, so let's do this in one go. This times this, it will be 20, and then the x times x will be x to the power of 6. Y times y here, it will be y to the power of 7. And now this times this, which will be minus 15x to the power 5, y to the power 6. Okay, now minus. Imagine this exists in a bubble. Okay, so let's use brackets here. It exists in a bubble. So this thing here would be this here. It would be 21x to the power 3. 21x to the power 3 y squared z to the power of 3. Okay, this is going to get messy because I'm going to squeeze everything in here. On this side here, it's going to be 14. 14. Remember, we're doing this now. This times this. Okay, 14x squared y squared z to the power 3. Okay. Oh, this is going to be messy, but bear with me. So this would be, hang on, 3x minus 2, 4x squared, whatever, minus 3. So this would be, well, let's take this down, and this down, okay? And then we will deal with this negative thing, because it's quite weird. So let's do this first. 20x to the power 6, y to the power 7, minus 15x to the power 5, or y to the power 6. Now, minus a positive, so that would be a minus. Okay, it's minus 21x to the power 3, y squared z to the power 3. Now you've got a minus and a minus over here, so it will be a positive. Positive 14x squared y to the power of 2, I think. Well, yeah, and then z to the power of 3. Okay, and then have a quick glance to see if any of these are the same. Have a quick glance to see if any of these are the same. If they are the same, then merge them. If they're not, then you can't. Look at this one. Oh, this one has three x's. This one only 2. So you can't really merge them. They're two different things. This is your Liga. This is your Lie graph. They're two different things. You can't merge them. Anything else? You can't merge this one. This one has 6 x's. This one has 5. So again, you can't merge them. So this would be your final fraction. Okay? Okay, you're done.